Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Adriana Lima's 2013 Victoria's Secret look. For the hair, I just mixed these hairs and then colored them black. You can kind of adjust them again if you don't like it. And then again, we're going to use this and we're going to select top. For the first one, we're going to color it the skin tone, and then for the second one, I'm just going to color it this kind of red. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker, just a teensy bit. And then we are going to use the Sabrina Carpenter set. Was it on codes? I don't remember. I think gotta buy it. Oh yeah. And I am going to color it red in matte though. And we do need lace for it. So on the fourth one, we're actually going to toggle it to the skin color instead. Oh wait, or the fifth one. Hold on, let me just... I think it'd be the third one. Okay, toggle the third one to the skin color and the fourth one to the red. And I'm going to get this top here and I'm just going to use that. You can use the VIP top, but it actually makes the middle part a little bit weird. So I'm just going to leave it. I know there will be some of these peeking out, but that's fine. You do need VIP for these, for the wings. So go to VIP and put on the red wings here. And then for the shoes, actually don't know what shoes I should wear. I might just use the ones from VIP, but you can use any shoes that you would like to. I'm just going to put these on. I know they're not this tall, but I'm just going to color it all red. And that is how you can recreate Adriana's, I can't pronounce her name apparently, outfit on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.